Welcome to the weekly news for Smooth Skin Supply. This is the week of October 9th. Smooth Skin Supply has now started doing weekly news just to give you updated information every single Monday. That way you can choose how you participate in our information. You can either listen to us, you can watch us, or you can absolutely do both. I want to make sure everyone has a wholesale account. So for licensed estheticians, licensed cosmetologists, those who are waxing specialists, you do have access to our wholesale and our professional products when you upload a copy of your license. We will put a link down in the description that'll give you access to our professional products, our back bar sizes, as well as our retail products at wholesale cost. This week, we have 20% off of all Sabrazil samples and sample kits. That starts today. You don't need a coupon when you shop with us, and the offer will end on Monday, the 16th, 11:59 p.m. Central Standard Time. If you're not aware, this month is October, and it's our Client Appreciation Month. So every week, we're going to have a different special, so be sure to check back with us and see how you can stock up before Black Friday, and Cyber Monday. We still have a lot of clearance and discontinued products available. Our oatmeal lavender, our brown sugar bar, our calm serum 2-ounce, the honey soft wax 20-ounce. We have quite a bit. So these will continue to stay on clearance and discontinued until they are sold out. We will continue to announce until they are gone. Our Sabrazil Discount Club is an amazing club. If you're not aware of it, many people ask us for drop shipping, and the only way that you can get access to our drop shipping menu is to become a Sabrazil Discount Club member. It is $97 a month. However, we give you $100 worth of product every single month, which comes from our Sabrazil retail bags, gifts, and products. And then you get 15% off of any order that you place, free shipping when the order is over $100, and offers to drop ship. You get a marketing kit, which includes our shelf talkers, which include our product cards. We give free samples for every retail product you purchase. You get access to a monthly coaching call. And until December 31st, you get access to the Esthetician business community. The product of the week is our Exfoliating Enzyme Mist. A lot of people kind of sleep on this product. They're not really realizing that we have it out of all of our sample kits. We have 5 total. We actually have our exfoliating enzyme mist in 3 of those 5. Our mist is a very unique product. It's an enzyme from mango. We know we love mango. It smells amazing, but it's the maintenance product when you are not actually having any active ingrowns or active any kind of folliculitis or body pimples or clogged follicles. It is what you do in the meantime. So many people kind of get the exfoliation process backwards. They feel that if you have ingrowns or you've ever had ingrowns, that you should be using an ingrown AHA, BHA consistently. And that's actually not how it works. The active AHA, BHA is only when the ingrown is present, when there is infection, when there is any kind of follicle that is inflamed and infected. Once that goes away, we're going to move into maintaining that skin with a simple exfoliation. And that's why our enzyme is really unique. It's a liquid enzyme, but it exfoliates the skin very gently. It's self-neutralizing. It's only going to eat away dead skin. So it's not going to affect the healthy skin at all, but it will allow product to penetrate to healthy skin because we have gotten rid of all of that dead skin. So if you're going to use it while it is active, ingrowns, you're going to put that first and then put the Bi-Bump green cream over the top. If you're using the exfoliating bar in a jar or the exfoliating body wash, you're going to use the enzyme once those ingrowns go away. This is truly a maintaining product. So if you have never taken my training in my Sabrazil Wax training group, I do have a webinar that I did specifically on understanding not only hydrating your ingrowns, but the maintaining versus the active aggressive. And most estheticians keep their clients on an active aggressive forever. And that is not for long term. It's only while the ingrowns are active. Once they've healed, once they've calmed down, now we're just going to do a gentle exfoliation. We're just going to maintain that skin so that the balance is balancing, right? So I do like to help people quite understand, especially if clients are over exfoliating, that this is a very gentle exfoliation option. It's not going to be penetrating the skin. It's just dealing with the dead skin. We're going to start doing seasonal tips for your waxing clients and what you should be working on with them. During the fall and winter, I always transition people onto our natural deodorant, especially people who are having issues in that underarm space. They are having dark underarms. They may have found that their antiperspirant isn't as strong as it used to be, or they've tried a natural deodorant and just didn't quite work. So our 30-day underarm detox challenge is a great group project, especially if you have a Facebook group. It's a great thing for you to start, especially because it's easier to transition in fall and winter when it's not as hot. And then by the time the spring and summer comes around, they're ready to show off those underarms and those arms. It's also a great time to introduce underarm waxing, especially if you have clients that have very, very dark underarms. They have been habitual shavers. They are wanting to do some brightening aspects to that. The shaving is one that has to go, and two, it's the antiperspirant. So this is a great time to educate them, especially for the fact that we have our detox, our sample kits available. What's included in our underarm detox kit is one sample of the natural deodorant that lasts them 30 days or longer, a sample of our enzyme mist, and a sample of our body cleansing bar. The secret to success on our natural deodorant, especially for people who've never used a natural deodorant, is to do 2 applications in the morning and 2 applications at night for those first 30 days. And that will force the skin and the body to become used to that space. They'll have a better result and a better experience. We always encourage them to use our cleansing bar because they'll even have a better experience. The most important thing when you're transitioning is understanding the key to soap. Most people who try it on their own, they don't change their soap. So we provide them everything in that sample kit to be successful. The Esthetician Summit is coming up April 21st to the 23rd. Many of you are getting your tickets. We're very excited. For access to the Sabal Masterclass, you do have to get a 3-day VIP ticket, and that will give you access to the Masterclass. That's the only way. Our general admission, which is just for $50, is only for Sunday and Monday. The Sabal Masterclass is on Tuesday. With that ticket, you get access to the VIP lounge for snacks in the morning and afternoon. You automatically get lunch included. You get a swag bag, your access to VIP seating, which will be in front of every classroom as well as the main stage. You'll automatically get access to the VIP mixer Sunday evening hosted by Dermoscope from 6 to 8. And we do want to mention we do have payment plans available. So those of you who are looking to use Sezzle and Afterpay, you are able to do those to get your ticket as well. Price will go up on the 1st of January. For those of you who are going to wait till the last minute, or you want to wait till after your Black Friday, Cyber Monday sale, we will have that price increase, and we will announce that, of course. We're excited to have Shar Fontanelles be speaking on the main stage on Monday, with a class following up on Monday with her company, Confidence by Shar. She has an amazing story, especially when it comes to microcurrent and how she created some supplements that are definitely helping with enhancing the results of skincare modalities like microcurrent. I'm very excited for her to come and educate everyone. She's going to be sharing her amazing story on how she healed her body with microcurrent. So I'm really excited she's joining us in our Esthetician Summit 2024. The Stephanie Laynes Institution podcast is now up to 70 podcasts. We're well on our way to 100. Just to let you know, you can listen to any of them anytime. We have a new podcast every single Monday at 6 a.m. This is available on Apple Podcasts, Spotify, as well as Google. We still have TikTok affiliates we're accepting for. Definitely send us an email. We can get you started there if you're on TikTok and interested in earning a couple little commissions on your favorite products. And if you are a Shopify affiliate, you can earn 15% commission as well as TikTok as well. You get a special link that you get to set up on your website. You can set it up on your Instagram. You can really pretty much put it any single where. And it's easy. There is no charge to become affiliate, and the payout is monthly. This is it for this week's news. We're very excited for you guys to get started and take advantage of our client appreciation. And we will see you next week.